How to sign out of Meta AI on all devices. If you want to sign out of your Meta AI account from all devices, this video will show you how to do it. First, open the Meta AI website and sign in to your account. Now, click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner and select Settings. Next, open Accounts Center. Click on Password and Security. Then select where you're logged in. Choose your Meta account to view all active sessions. To sign out from every device, tap Select Devices to log out. Choose All Devices and confirm your selection. Since I don't have any logins, other devices are not showing. Your Meta account, including Meta AI, will now be signed out on all selected devices. You'll need to sign in again the next time you use Meta AI. That's how you can sign out of Meta AI on all devices. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.